In this video, we will explore how VILT can revolutionize training methods, improve workforce skills, and enhance overall productivity. Let's dive in. Traditional manufacturing training methods often face several challenges. Access to skilled trainers is limited, in-person sessions can be expensive and time-consuming, and coordinating training for a geographically dispersed workforce can be a logistical nightmare. VILT leverages online platforms and video conferencing tools to deliver training remotely, eliminating the need for costly travel and accommodation expenses. VILT allows real-time interaction and collaboration between trainers and trainees. With VILT, manufacturers gain access to expert trainers from around the world, enabling them to tap into specialized knowledge and skills. It is a cost-effective and time-efficient training solution, reducing travel costs and minimizing time away from production lines. Moreover, VILT offers flexibility, allowing companies to train their geographically dispersed workforce without the need for physical presence. VILT enhances the learning experience by incorporating engaging multimedia content, such as videos, animations, and interactive presentations. Trainees can participate in simulations and virtual labs, gaining hands-on experience in a safe and controlled environment. Furthermore, VILT enables personalized learning paths, allowing trainees to focus on areas that require improvement, resulting in a more effective and efficient training process. Real-time performance tracking allows trainers to monitor trainee engagement and identify areas of improvement. Assessments and quizzes can be conducted to evaluate trainee comprehension and knowledge retention. By analyzing the data gathered, companies can continuously improve their training programs, ultimately enhancing overall productivity. By utilizing VILT, manufacturers can unlock the full potential of their workforce, boost efficiency, and stay ahead in a rapidly changing market. Start leveraging VILT today and embrace the future of manufacturing training. Here's the perfect checklist to seamlessly get started with VILT. Thank you for watching. Check out the description below to connect with us on other platforms and gain various valuable resources. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel today.